How to use Siser EasySubli with your Cricut machine. Step 1. First, load the design you're going to use to Cricut Designspace canvas. Step 2. If the image is too large, click on the warning button, then click Auto Resize Image. Step 3. It'll automatically resize the image to the biggest size you can print and cut. Step 4. Click on Offset, set the distance and click Apply. Step 5. Select both layers from the Layers panel, then click Flatten on the bottom right side of the screen. Step 6. If your offset layer is getting a warning, click on it again and select Auto Resize Image. Step 7. Once the design is ready, click Make It and click Continue. Step 8. Click Send to Printer, select the printer, turn off Add Bleed, then turn on Use System dialog. Step 9. Click Print, check the settings, then click Print again. Step 10. Take the printed design and place it down on the Cricut pad while making sure to keep your hands off the print. Step 11. Take the EasyPress and hover over the design for about 30 to 60 seconds. Step 12. Place the material on the mat and smooth it down while making sure to keep your hands off the ink. Step 13. Go back to Cricut Designspace and select Everyday Iron-On Material. Step 14. Load the mat into the machine and start cutting. Step 15. While it's cutting, place the shirt on top of the heat pad and pre-press to remove moisture and smooth everything out. Step 16. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat and peel off the material. Step 17. Start weeding out the design from the corner while keeping your hands off the ink. Step 18. Slowly peel off the carrier sheet, then place it face up on the shirt. Step 19. Place a piece of parchment paper on top of the design, then press it at 310 degrees for 15 seconds. Step 20. Once done, remove the heat press and the parchment paper, then check how your design turned out. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.